start.
Hi, my name is Preston, and the problem that I'd like to solve today is Jerry is playing a game with a standard deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that he will pull a red card, a card that's red and has a 4, a card with a face, and a card that has a 10. First, we have a King of Hearts, which is a red card. So red cards go here. Card with a face goes here. A card that is red and has a 4 goes here. A card with a 10 is here. And the things that don't match any of the criteria will be in the middle. First, I will put the King of Hearts in between a red card and a card with a face, as it has both of them. Next, I will have a Queen of Spades, and it is not a red card, but it does have a face. So I will put it in the side that has a face. Then I have a Black 2. It's not a 10, and not a red card, not a card with a face, and not a card that is red and has a 4 in it. So I will put that in the middle, which is none. Next, I have a Queen of Hearts that is, and I will put it in between a red card and a card with its face, since it does have a face and is also a red card. Next, I have a 10. This is a card that has a 10, so I will put it here. And then now I have another a 10 of diamonds. I will put it in between a red card and a card with a 10 because it has both of these and we'll calculate it later. Then I have a 2. There was already a 2 here, so I don't need this. Next up I have a 5. It is a red card, and so I will put it here. Then I have a King of Clubs. This King of Clubs, it has a face, so I will put it in the card that has a face but is not red. Then I have a 4. They're asking for a card that is red and has a 4 in it on the bottom one criteria. But this is, even though this is a 4, it is not red. So therefore, being in the middle and as matching none of the criteria. Then we have a Jack and it has Jack of Diamonds, and I put it here. Then we have a King again that is also red but also has a face, so I will put it here. Next up, we have an Ace. An ace does, even though very beautiful, does not match with any of these criteria. So I will put it in the middle. Then I have a King. I will put it in a card with a face, but not a red card. Now let's speed up the pace. This is a red card. This is not. This is not matching criteria. This 6 is not. This 7 is not. This 9 is not. This 8 is not. This Queen has a face. Then this Jack also has a face. Along with a 10, that is a 10. So, and there's a criteria saying a card with a 10. Since this video is getting a bit too long, let's speed things up a bit. A 9 has no criteria. An 8 also has no criteria. 7, it's red card. 8 is also red. 9 is red. This belongs in the middle as it matches none of the criteria. A 6 doesn't match. 5 doesn't match. 4 doesn't match. 3 doesn't match. Ace is red. Jack is still red. 10, 9. 8. A Jack has a face. A 7 is red. A 6 is red. A 5 is red. A 4 is red. A 3 is red. A 2 is red. Oh, ace is red. A queen is red but also has a face. A 3 is red. A 2 is red. A 4 is red. And an ace is not red. Now that we have our cards all sorted out, let's count how many are in each. The things on the borders. Wait, that's weird. Where did red 4 go? We have no red 4s in here. But, oh wait, my bad. There's a red 4 here. I put it out by accident. But because it is red and a card that has red and has a 4, I will count these both times. And to me, I'll hold these in my hands. Oopsies, I accidentally took these off. Sorry. I will keep these in my hand as they are crossed and cannot be matched. So first, wait, give me a second. I'm sorry, apologies again. I accidentally threw in a 10 of hearts in here when it should be on the border, as it is a 10 and it is a red card too. Now that we have all our piles sorted out, I would like to work this out with you. First, let's first count with how many cards that have a 10 in it. We have 1, a black 10 of spades, a black 10 of clubs, a red 10 of diamonds, a 10 of hearts, and that is our 4. So we have 4 here. Then we have 2 4s that are hearts and diamonds. So now we have 2 here. 2 that is a card that has red and has a 4 in it. For the face value, we have quite a bit. We have a jack of hearts, a king of diamonds, a jack of diamonds, a king of hearts, a queen of hearts, a queen of diamonds, a jack of spades, a queen of clubs, a king of spades, a king of clubs, a queen of spades, and a jack of clubs. Now let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 here. So we have 12 here. And now we have to count the one that definitely has the most red. We have the 2 4s. The face is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, oh, not that. 25, 26. Now that we have 26 here, 4 black 10s, 4 10s, 2 cards that is red and has a 4, and 12 face value. So now we have the answer to the question. Jerry is playing a game with standard cards. Find the probability that he will pull a red card. So with 52 cards, I would describe this as a fraction. This is 26, so it's 26 out of 52, which is exactly half. Then we have 4 10s here, and that is pretty low. So let's see. 52 divided by 4 is 52 divided by 4 is, let me do some calculations in my head. Sorry for the delay. I'm not that sweet at mental maths. And I may be slowing down. So I'm sorry for the delay, but I will do it as fast as I can. It is It is the answer to the question is 13. There's a 1 in 13 chance that you will pull a 10. I'm sorry for the delay yet again. And a face value, they had 12. So there is exactly a 12 in 52% chance that they'll do it. And if we try to simplify it any further, we get a 26 and a 6. So we have 6 out of 26. We can simplify this even further and go to 3 against 13. So the chances of pulling a face of a face is 3 out of 13, and the chances of pulling a 4 that is red is 2 in 52. Or 1 in 16, which is very rare to me. So, thank you for watching. See ya!